Wild elephants in Sri Lanka. There are 189 countries in the world, but you can see the elephant in only 27 countries. 13 countries in Asia and 14 countries in Africa. Among all of them, Sri Lanka is the only country where a tourist can see elephants freely. We are the only country that created a databased elephant distribution map for the first time by environmentalists together. According to the world-famous Wanderlust, Udawalawa is one of the best places to see elephants.
Thank you for watching.